Hi there. Piercing the veil to awaken. Awaken from what? I guess you, like many others amongst us, are turning in circles. You know, the same old story over and over again. In the next few minutes, I will tell you how you can get out of that cycle. So listen carefully. What you have to consider, what you should consider, is that it's all one. We are not separate from the others, as hard as that may seem to believe. But we are not separate from the family, the bosses, the colleagues. None of them are separate. We are all in this one huge game. And the minute you start to imply that, everything will change. As long as you're cooking your own little soup, considering your own personal life, fighting the odds, as long as you do that, you will just stand on the outside of it, going in circles, repeating the same mistakes. Because the way you reverberate your inner thinking, your inner feelings, will stay the same over and over again. So to change, you have to see the greater picture. See the greater picture by referring to your own breath. See, it's not your breath. It's coming and going. You just try to stop it. Just try to stop it for a few minutes, and you will see what kind of power is behind it. If you start to appreciate that power, that breath that is given to you, that life that is given to you, not the content. No, no, no. I'm not speaking about the content. The content is a conditioned content. And as long as you keep thinking about, as long as you keep repeating your thought, and that's what we all do. We keep repeating the thought, and the thought is creating emotions. They gush throughout the entire body, and we feel those emotions again and again and again. They just reflect the conditions that we're under. But as soon as you start to appreciate that thought that is bringing you life, and it is connecting you to the greater picture, everything will change. Let your colleagues, let your bosses scream and yell at you. And you just keep on breathing. You just keep that attention with your breath. And it's all going to change for the better. It's all going to change towards what you want, what's in store for you, your life. You know, there's a great power behind your life. You are an incredible being. So use it. Pierce that veil and awaken now. See you next time.